Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. You are with your English trainer Alicia. Today our topic is kinds of clauses. First one, principal clause or main clause. The definition of principal clause is a clause which makes complete sense independently is called principal clause or main clause. Example, I received a letter and replied to it. I received a letter is the principal clause. Second definition of subordinate clause, a clause which depends on some other clause for its meaning is called a dependent or subordinate clause. Subordinate or dependent clause. For example, I saw a snake when I reached near bushes. When I reached near bushes, this is a subordinate clause. Subordinate clause. Principal clause. Now we have to sort out the principal clause and main clause from these sentences. I like those who speak the truth. I like those. This is the main clause or principal clause. Who speak the truth is subordinate clause. I can teach you how to speak English correctly. I can teach you. This is the main clause or principal clause. How to speak English correctly. This is the subordinate clause or dependent clause. Do you know where she was born? Do you know where she was born? Do you know is the main clause. Where she was born, this is the subordinate clause. I read stories, but she watches movies. I read stories is the main clause. Dua cooks meal is also a main clause. All the students must know about the main kinds of clauses. They are principal clause and subordinate clause. Now we are going to discuss about the further kinds of subordinate clause. You know very well about the subordinate clause as well. Subordinate clauses, there are three main kinds of subordinate clauses. Number one, noun clause. Number two, adjective clause. Number three, adverb clause. What is noun clause? A group of words which contains a subject and predicate of its own and does the work of a noun is called a noun clause. What is adjective clause? A group of words which contains a subject and predicate of its own and does the work of an adjective is called an adjective clause. What is adverb clause? a group of words which contains a subject and predicate of its own and does the work of an adverb is called an adverb clause. Now look at some examples of these three kinds of subordinate clauses. At first, I know that she is a teacher in school. That she is a teacher in school. This is the noun clause. This is the noun clause. What I like most in her is her modesty. What I like most in her is also a noun clause. This is the book that I told you about. That I told you about is an adjective clause. I don't know the reason why she disliked me. Why she disliked me, it is also an adjective clause. I shall wait here till you return. Till you return is an adverb clause. I stopped the work because I was very tired. Because I was very tired, it is an adverb clause. We have sorted out the noun clauses, adjective clauses, and adverb clauses from the sentences. For more videos, for more verification, you can read a lot of books on English grammar and concerned topics of clause, kinds of clauses from different books. I hope you might have understood my lecture. Keep practicing. If you are new one, do subscribe my channel, share it with your friends and relatives, and you have to do this work honestly and attentively. Allah Hafiz.